Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I got something to show you.
Your name? My name is...
My name is Aleesha. I got something. It's cool toy in the world. Here's a little toy. And another one. You don't know. I got a secret toy, but my sister is here. But it's what's in this eye.
Louder.
You don't know, but I got an LOL toys. But actually, but my dad is in the camera. But because we gotta open it. Come on, Daddy.
This one's for you? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And this one is for me. I don't know. Wait, I see a baby. Look at this. Look at this baby. Cute little puppy. Oh no. But look at this. I got this. I don't know. Open it. Okay. Actually, you can open it. Abby. Whoa, look at all the stuff.
Show the camera.
Here. All the stuff. A little bit. Come on! Come on out. Come on. But this is all the stuff looks like. But this is a baby crib, but we don't have a baby. A little doll. Here's my little doll. Come on. Here he is. Come on, babe. Come on. Okay, here he is. Some butt. Can put that. Well. This is her mirror. This is a mirror. Looks like. Look at this one.
What's that?
That's when you can put this shirt or something. Wow.
Done?
Yep.
You can take it out.
Okay.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay.
But how about the other one? Had to open his head. We can open his head.
Show the camera.
Well,
Show to the camera.
I will open it. Dad. Look at all the accessories. It's like, woohoo! Yeah. Here's a little. This is a baby crib from his baby, but actually, this is a baby crib. It actually can wiggle. Wiggle. But we don't have a baby. Though. And here's a wheelchair. But this is a dining room. But yep, a dining room. Actually, you only can stand up right this chair. Look at this. But actually, you can open this drawer. Come on, drawer! Whoa, look at this. It doesn't working. But this is a bit. Let's get all set up. A mirror. A baby crib. A baby crib. Actually, you can put all the accessories on it. And put all this here. I like to put my wig up. Actually, you can push this. You gotta push it. back up. There we go. Whoopsie. Sorry guys, I actually broke it. Ah! Come on! Each other, we'll here forever. Ah! I broke. Wait, it goes right here, right? Goes right over here or something. Like this or whoa! I actually did it. Here we go. Actually, this is her home. But actually, uh-oh. Where's the other door? No. Actually lost it. This is a bedroom. And this is a baby crib. A mirror. A mirror. Hi. Ah! Not again. Okay, my dad is in the camera. But how are we gonna find the other door? Abby, how are we gonna find the other door? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Here you go, Waldo. Oh, Waldo. But this is her home. Ah! I'm sorry. Tiny room. My dad is there. Got my glasses over here. Okay. How many money? This money we have. So far, we got body cash. This money. This money. Ah. Well, you know I like my cool glasses. You don't know. This is a well doll. You can actually move.
No.
This is
Just show. Yeah.
a well doll.
Say
But
something.
look at his dress, guys.
What she got? She
A
got,
pink dress and a blue shirt and a blue bottom.
louder.
And this lipstick. And look at this hairstyle. Oh. But this is a castle. But this is a bed. Looks like, look at this bed, guys. I got an old thing. And this is a blanket. And look at this. But this is a baby crib. But we don't have a baby. Ah, we don't have a baby. Okay. Ah.
Ready? Mirror.
This is a mirror from though. Actually can push it, but it didn't move. Look at this, guys. Kind of like a coin machine or something. lamb. This is I don't know what is this thing. I think this is part of from a clothes thing. You can hold it or something. Yes. But this is a dining room. Actually, you can put it like this or something. But Daddy just looking from the door. Okay, guys. Oh yeah. I'm dancing. La 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 la. Okay, I'm gonna sit down and just stand up. To make wake up. But this is the Ninja Turtle looks like. But I don't know what his name is. But guess what? We got a rainbow fish. We just buy it from a McDonald's or something. Ah! Look at the fishy. Ah! Uh-oh, this door is almost broke. Ah! I'll fix it. There we go. I fixed the door. This money, guys. Money. Hopefully, I have a act. Baby crap. Glasses.
Hey, want to sing a song?
No.
You can sing a song.
No.
Use the microphone.
That's not. It's so hard to do it. Ninja Turtle. Okay. Because this is the coolest little toy. I must push this chair away. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification, and press the thumbs up button. You want a little toy, guys? Thanks for watching. Bye.